My name's Tito Vazquez. I'm the owner of BikeBox. BikeBox is a rental service lessons retail location here at Markham Park, and it was something that's been missing since the park opened. The BikeBox structure is made up of 3 40-foot high cube cargo containers. It's the typical containers you see out on ships. Halfway through the build, we started to run into a lot of challenges with the different seams and gaps that we were encountering in a very unconditional build. And we tried other products and none of it really worked. So we kept pulling it off and adding something else. And then we found Flex Seal. With Flex Seal's diversity with the paste, the liquid, and the spray, it allowed us to really attack those challenges. One of the biggest challenges we had in this build was overcoming the gap in between containers on the floor, because it presented some tripping hazard issues. We also needed to cover that gap, and we needed something that would go on top of the steel. That's when we found the Flex Paste. It allowed us to really mold it to exactly what we needed. It's very easy and clean to apply, and you can shape it to whatever form you want. We put one coat to fill anything, give it the shape we wanted it so that it would be nice and smooth. And to achieve that finish, we used a grouting sponge and a water spray bottle. And it just created a nice finish. It almost looks like wood, which matches our floor, so that worked out really well. August 14th will be our grand opening. We've timed it with the largest, most popular race in the park, which is called the Rumble in the Jungle. Here we are, it's the Rumble in the Jungle event. It's the 15th anniversary of this event. It's a great race. It's a team relay, 50 miles or 25 miles. You can do a team or you can do an individual. We're having our grand opening here at BikeBox as well. In addition, you'll see we have a lot of vendors. We have our partners from Flex Seal who were a great help for us in this project in the build space. The Flex Paste specifically, we've used it in the floor. It's held up really well. We're really impressed. Something that looked like an impossible challenge to take care of. It was sealed perfectly. I've already been telling my friends and anybody who listened about how great of a product line Flex Seal offers. It really is a perfect application to seal gaps, seams, and keep water out, wind, and things of that nature. When I go to the store looking for something for a project, I'm going to reach with the Flex Seal product line first and foremost. It just works that well. Any of you that are in the Broward County area, come see us at BikeBox. We'll rent your bike, we'll fix your bike, we'll get you a cold drink, and you'll have a good time.